In this lesson, you will create a step footing on an existing foundation wall. Click the menu browser and select Open. And from the Training Files Imperial folder, open the file In Place Footing. We'll begin by adding a footing at the base of the existing foundation wall. From the Foundation panel, click Wall. Then, click the Change Element Type drop-down and select Bearing Footing 36 by 12. Then, click the foundation wall, and when you do, the footing is placed at the base of the foundation wall. Next, we will create a family category for the solid extrusion that forms the shape of the step footing. Open the View, Section 1, and zoom in on the foundation steps. And from the Home tab on the Model panel, click the Component drop-down and select Model in Place. In the Family Category and Parameters dialog, select Structural Foundations and click OK. In the Name dialog, click OK to accept the name Structural Foundations 1. Then, from the In Place Modeling panel, click the Solid drop-down and select Extrusion. In the Work Plane dialog, with Pick a Plane selected, click OK. Then, select the entire bearing footing by using the Tab key. Then, click the corner of the footing shown to start the extrusion sketch. Then, sketch the solid extrusion shown. Then, click Modify. Select the bottom line and change its length to 1 foot. And extend the angled line to it. Clear the selection. Then, click Extrusion Properties. And for extrusion end, type -3 feet. Then click inside the Material Value field, and then click the Browse button. In the Materials dialog, select Concrete, Cast in Place Concrete, and click OK twice. And then click Finish Extrusion. Then, on the In Place Editor panel, click Finish Model. Then, select the extrusion. And from the Modify panel, click Copy. And on the Options bar, click Multiple. Then, click the corner of the step foundation in the extrusion. And place the copy at the next step as shown. Then, place a third copy as shown. And press Escape. Next, we'll use the Multiple Join tool to join each extrusion to the footing element. Click the Modify tab, and from the Edit Geometry panel, click the Join Geometry drop-down and select Join Geometry. Then, on the Options bar, select Multiple Join. Then, select the wall foundation, then the lower extrusion, followed by the middle extrusion, and finally the upper extrusion. Then, click Modify, and we will now join the extrusion elements to each other. Click Join Geometry, then select the middle extrusion, then the lower extrusion, and then the upper extrusion. Then press Escape twice and open the 3D view. Then close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.